go. Here's the pocket we need to press. We'll start with the center pleat. Take it at the notches, align with the center line, and press. Take your pressing aid, align the notches, and fold the top edge. After this, fold it again, align the notches, and press. Now we can start working on the edges. Put the cardboard, fold, steam, let it stand for a bit. Move on to the next long part. Cardboard, fold, steam, next cardboard, fold, and steam. Now you can move on to the short edges. In this case, if it's resisting, use the clapper. And move on. Here we go. A beautiful pocket. Let's continue with our work. And next step will be some stitching, decorative stitching on pockets and other parts of the trousers. So these sides of the pockets have to be stitched close to the edge and then 5 millimeters away from the previous seam. Here it is, and we repeat the same thing for the other side. The first one is done. What I'm going to do next is take my pocket. The first bar tag goes between these two lines, 1.5 centimeters away from the stitch. Another one is 2 centimeters from the bottom, also across. So now that our pockets are prepared, I can place them and attach them to the backs of the trousers. So you'll see that on a pattern you'll have to transfer a couple of lines. One is about 3 centimeters below the yoke, and the second line 2 centimeters below the previous line, parallel to it. What we'll have to do is align the pocket edge with the bottom line, and then take a pocket flap and draw a line where the seam would be. So in that case it's 0.6 centimeters or 1/4 inch. So I drew the line here and then aligned this line to the line on the pocket. This way it will be a correct distance from the pocket. You'll see also that I've marked here center of the flap. It's just to help me to align the flap with the pocket. What I'll be doing next is sewing this pocket 1 millimeter away from the edge all around, and then second time 5 millimeters away from the previous seam, also all around. And flaps will be sewn along this line only. I'll start with a flap because it's easier to get out of the way first. Sewing along the line. The pocket flap is sewn. Now I'm going to sew the actual pocket body to the pocket, to the trouser back. And here it is, sewn on. To finish the pocket flaps, fold them towards the pockets, sew them 1 millimeter away from the edge on top of the pocket, and then 5 millimeters away from the first seam. Bi-tack these parts of the pocket to make sure that it's nice and secure. Just like that.